story that is just emerging. That's the CAA rules that have been notified. The CAA rules that have been a big promise of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his government that has been reiterated over the last several times. I'm being joined by Pragya at this point. Pragya, how is this to be looked at? Of course, this was a big promise by the Modi government. This was something that was claimed again and again over the span of last 1.5 months repeatedly by top ministers, and now the rules have been notified, and this comes possibly just weeks before or just the week the Lok Sabha election dates are supposed to be announced. It's expected this week itself. Give us the political contours of what's unfolding.
Well, this was a prominent promise that was made by BJP in its 2019 manifesto as well. The opinion of the government is that there are many religious, section of the society who have been persecuted on basis of religion in our neighboring countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan. And if we can't give them rehabilitation and if we can't give them space, because they also have their lineage, they have their association with the Indian civilization. If we can't do that, then who else will do that? So that was the basic premises of coming up with this citizen amendmentship act also 2019. Though it was passed 4 years back, the rules were yet to be notified, and now the government has notified according to its promises. None other than Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah had made this claim, saying that these rules are going to be notified before Lok Sabha elections 2024, and government, it seems, have kept its promise. What it will do is that there are many legal migrants who had come to India, but their papers had been, because they have been waiting for quite some time now, they have expired. So now it will be easy for them also to get the citizenship of India, to get the rehabilitation done, and also become a legal member, a legal citizen of the country, and get the benefits that any other citizen is getting in this country. So if you could just look at the main pointers of this CAA Act, it says that there are 6 minority communities